What's going on, everybody? It's old black ScatPack. I'm out and about in some random undisclosed location, and I'm on site with the boy. Y'all know who he is.
What's going on, y'all?
And you know what he's in. So we about to go out and possibly go to Mexico. I say Canada. It don't matter where we about to go. What we about to do, we about to take these cars and do some highway pulls and see how they do. We both running 4.5s in our 0 to 60 times. We both haven't done it. We're not running, it ain't like we're running drag radials or anything. You know, my car has a rear wheel drive setup. His is all wheel. We both got a pretty riding heavy. It ain't like we took time to take the seats out or take his sub box out or my spare tire in the back. So that's enough of this talking. Let's get in these cars and roll. Let's do it. Yeah.
Shaka on the beat, shaka on the beat, shaka on the beat, shaka on the beat.
What's going on, everybody? Y'all seen it for yourself. We back from Mexico, Canada, or whatever you got to say. So man, hey, tell them honestly, man. Hey, did y'all expect to see what y'all just seen? Hey, did you expect it?
I'd say this. I don't know what I had for expectation. I definitely felt like the ScatPack was definitely going to take the win, which is why I had the camera placed where I placed it at. But at the same time, I was happy with what I got.
And with me personally, I know not to just judge everything from face value, because like a little bit after you got everything tuned, we played around a little bit. I seen the potential that this thing has, so I know not to sleep on it. And at the same time, where we was at, we just wanted to get like a couple pulls from like 40 to 80. So at first I was surprised that, you know, it jumped out in front of me the way it did, especially on that first one. And you know, with it being all-wheel, you know, I was thinking too, with it being all-wheel drive, that might be another reason it got on out there too. But, you know, given a little bit of time, I was able to start creeping back up in there. But man, it's just crazy, man. If I wasn't a believer before, which is I came into an open mind. If I wasn't a believer before, that would have made a believer out of me.
And I think the thing is to think where this car came from. This is a V6 stock. I think this thing does 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds. I'm now pushing a ScatPack, or at least the black ScatPack's number from 0 to 60 at a 4.5. And we can easily just take this, get it tuned some more, turn up the boost just a little bit, and maybe we get the edge next time. But the sky's the limit, it seems like.
It really is, man, because I mean, was it even in all-wheel drive mode?
It wasn't in all-wheel drive mode. It wasn't in sport mode. It was in default mode. Because I know, you know, the black ScatPack and I, you know, we're buddies. We hang out all the time. We will be doing something like this in the future again.
So yeah, if y'all want us to follow up on this series to where we can that road, we'll find another road that we feel a little bit more comfortable with, where we can play around.
More space too.
Yeah, yeah, because with me on my end, you know, I ran through all 3 modes. The first pull, I was in default. Second, sport, and then the third was track. So we get to play around a little bit. It was somewhere between that 35 to 40 mile an hour range where we did our rolls from. And you know, when I got up to about 80, that's when I came off. So it's a lot of room left to see how this can really go. So to y'all that hate on the V6s and sleep on them, man, y'all just pick and choose your battles wisely, because you don't know which one you're gonna run on. And speaking of that, I just seen a video that on a guy that he put me on, 86 Face. You might want to go check that out, especially if you really sleeping on V6s. Go check one of his last videos out. That's all I got to say.
And I'll just kind of add on to that. We're both part of the team RIPP. He has RIPP Supercharger. He has a V6 Challenger. His is more for the track, more for the go. Mine's is show. So he has this tune a little bit differently. But if you go like the black ScatPack said, go watch this latest video and you'll see what we're talking about.
Yeah, because I don't think that one, you just got to see it to believe it, man. That's all you got to do. And with that being said, the boy D.Ford and myself, we getting up out of here. Y'all rate, comment, subscribe, as he would say. Hey, he can hit his trademark line to do what now?
Hey, make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend, you heard me?
And then y'all already know, like, comment, subscribe, man. Just get out here and interact with us, man. Let us know what you think, man. Until the next one, we out.